Ever wonder what to eat when it's too hot to cook, but you still want something healthy? I researched water-rich foods, heat-friendly ingredients, and how to eat for energy, not exhaustion, during summer. And this menu? It's the result. When the temperature climbs, our appetite drops, energy crashes, and cooking feels like a full-body workout. But you still need real food that keeps you cool, hydrated, and feeling good. So in this video, I'm giving you a complete, refreshing summer menu. No complicated steps, no oven, and no boring salads. Just real meals that help you beat the heat while staying healthy, satisfied, and energized. Let's get into it. Breakfast. Watermelon yogurt bowl. Start your day light, cold, and hydrating with this watermelon yogurt bowl. Layer Greek yogurt, chilled watermelon cubes, a few mint leaves, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. That's it. Watermelon is 92% water, so you're rehydrating your body while you eat. The yogurt adds protein and probiotics to support digestion and boost your immune system. Chia seeds bring fiber and healthy fats that keep you full without feeling heavy. No stove, no prep drama, just a cold breakfast that works with the weather, not against it. This is perfect if you've ever skipped breakfast on a hot day because nothing sounded good. It's sweet, fresh, and gives your body what it actually needs. Lunch, chilled chickpea salad. Now let's talk lunch, because by midday, the heat hits hard. This chilled chickpea salad is my go-to when I want something filling but light. No stove needed. Drain and rinse canned chickpeas and toss with chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onion, parsley, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and cumin. Let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Chickpeas give you protein and fiber for lasting energy. The cucumbers and tomatoes are water-rich, helping you stay hydrated. And the lemon olive oil dressing ties it all together with a bright, tangy kick. It's fresh, it's easy, and it holds up great if you want to meal prep. This is how you eat clean, cool, and satisfied, even in a heat wave. Snack. Frozen berry and coconut bites. Now, let's fix the snack situation. Because it's easy to reach for chips, but that just makes you thirstier and tired. Instead, try frozen berry and coconut bites. Mix coconut yogurt with fresh blueberries and sliced strawberries. Spoon into mini muffin trays or ice cube molds and freeze for a few hours. They're cold, sweet, and packed with antioxidants and fiber. Coconut yogurt is cooling and dairy-free, perfect if your stomach gets sensitive in the heat. These are great for kids, easy to grab between meals, and way more refreshing than processed snacks. Dinner. Cold soba noodle bowl. Dinner should help you wind down, not heat you up. Try a cold soba noodle bowl. Boil soba noodles ahead of time, chill them, and toss with shredded carrots, cucumber ribbons, edamame, and a simple sesame soy dressing. Top with avocado or a soft-boiled egg if you want something richer. Buckwheat noodles are light and gluten-free. The veggies are crunchy, hydrating, and colorful. The dressing brings flavor without heaviness. You get comfort food vibes without the food coma. And your kitchen stays cool. Dessert, banana nice cream. Let's finish with a frozen treat that's actually good for you. Slice and freeze ripe bananas, then blend with a splash of almond milk and a little vanilla. You'll get smooth, creamy soft serve. No sugar, no dairy, and no regrets. Add cocoa powder for chocolate flavor or berries for something fruity. Dessert can be refreshing and clean. You don't have to choose. So that's it. Your full, refreshing, and healthy summer menu. A hydrating breakfast, a light but filling lunch, a cool, sweet snack, a no-heat dinner, and a guilt-free dessert. Every meal here is made to help your body stay balanced and energized, even on the hottest days. And the best part? These recipes are flexible. Mix and match ingredients, swap in your favorites, and build a menu that works for your summer. So which of these would you be trying this summer? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section. And if you found this video interesting, don't fail to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.